Welcome into the 30-day jump rope paradiddle challenge, and it's day 30 already. This definitely went by quickly. So over the past month, we've taken the pattern right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, and did a different combo using a jump rope. So today's combo will be a 360 spin. So it looks like this. All right, so let's break this down. Let's start with the footwork. And this is where the paradiddle is happening. So the first part, when we do right, left, right, right, we'll just face forward and run in place. Right, left, right, right. The second half, left, right, left, left, is when we do our 360. I'll be turning counterclockwise, but if you're more comfortable turning clockwise, I recommend that you try that. So I start with my left and I face diagonally. And then I go to my right, facing sideways. Then my left, I'm turned backwards. And then another left, I'm faced sideways. And then we're back to the beginning, landing on a right, facing forward. So that combo would be left, right, left, left, back to the beginning. So the entire footwork would be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, back to the beginning. With the rope, the first half will be side swing to the right, side swing to the left, and then open the rope for 2 jumps. Once again, side, side, open, open. When we do left, right, left, left, that's when we do our 360. So we'll face diagonal, I'll open the rope, jump through it, and as I turn, I'm ready to do a side swing on the right side. And because I'm turning this way, we can propel the rope backwards for a side swing, and then jump over the rope. And if you notice, I kept turning, so I'm back to the start, facing forward in side swing position. Okay, so the entire pattern with the rope would be side, side, open, 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 side, backward side, open, back to the beginning. All right, so time to add in the footwork. That would be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. All right, in just a moment, we'll bring in the drums playing paradiddles to accompany this combo. But before we get to that, I just want to invite you to come back tomorrow. I have a bonus combo planned. But until then, have fun with this one.